Okay guys, so just recently I got myself a K&N air filter, a performance air filter. This is for the 2015 Hyundai Elantra that we get in India. So what this does is it increases the horsepower and acceleration, and it is also more efficient. So they claim that it may also lead to good fuel economy. So now, and also the other thing about this is the stock air filter needs to be changed regularly. Like after 3 to 4 months, you need to keep changing it. But this is something that you can use lifetime. It is reusable. You can just wash it and use it again and again. So I'll just show you the things that we get inside the box. Okay, so the things I ordered this from Amazon. It cost me something around 5,000, but if you see the other sites, it was quite expensive, like around 7 to 8. So that is why I got it from Amazon. But you can see the packing was not that great. Maybe they had it over there since a long time, and that is why they gave me a discount on it. Okay, so let's see. So this is what was inside it. This is the air filter itself. This is a sticker that you get with it, and another sticker. This is, you have to put it on the cover of your air filter, because whenever you give your car for service, what they do is they replace the filter with a new one. But now you have to warn them that you have installed a K&N filter that can be reused, so you don't really need to remove the air filter. Okay, so now I'm going to install this in my car. I'll show you where the stock air filter is placed. Just a sec. Actually, I'll have to pause the camera because I need both my hands for this. Okay, guys. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is where the stock air filter is right now, and it's very easy to remove on a Hyundai Elantra. Just open this clip, and you can see just pull this off. Comes off, and there it is. That is a stock air filter. I'll just show you how this is. You can see this is the stock air filter that you get, and this is the Canon performance air filter. You can see how thin this is and how thick this is. Now obviously this filters the air much better, and it will give you more airflow too. Okay, so you can see the difference between the stock air filter and the performance air filter. You can see the difference how thin the performance air filter is and how thick the stock air filter. They also say that this will change the sound of your vehicle a bit, but I'm not quite sure about that. I will make a before after video and add the clips at the end of this video. Okay, so as you can see, I have installed the K&N performance air filter. It was quite easy, just a slip-on type thing. I'll just lock this. As you can see, I have also installed the warning sticker so that the service people know that there is a K&N performance air filter. So now I'll show you the difference in the sound, and I'll make a separate video on the performance in a while.